Gear down.
ICL 971 Heavy, Houston Tower, runway 8 left, clear to land.
You'll land 8 left, call 971. Fox 30. That's left. Landing checklist. Landing checklist. Full brake. Arc. Let again. Down, down. Flex. 30, 30.
City 497,
Hurricane Bravo 79.
that's straight ahead on Fox Alpha, Joy Fox Hotel, November Papa, short runway at back.
Alright, Fox Alpha, Fox Hotel, November Papa, hold short of 8 right. Okay, left 6497.
6497, monitor tower, 2535.
2535, Canadian 6497.
$1,000.
1,000 state line. 10 hours. Show the scope.
Red 3506, 2 right turn. 2 right turn.
Check.
300.
Tower United 29. 292 Houston Tower, caution, you're on 6 mile trail, the heavy going 747. Straight left, clear to land.
Approaching minimums. 200.
3506, left on Fox.
Minimums.
November Echo, hold short runway 8 right.
Fox Delta, November Echo, short of 8 right.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
2535, 3506.
For the cut. Check.
Hotel 971 Heavy, right turn, where you parking?
And then East Apron.
Roger, Foxtrot Hotel left, Echo Echo, taxi to parking.
Fox Hotel, Echo Echo.
Fox Hotel straight to your right.
Fox Hotel, left. Okay, sharp.